Okay, welcome back students. Now we are on the significant figures and next topic is here. We have to see the calculations. Calculations involving significant figures. Involving significant figures. Okay, into that, first of all we are having addition and subtraction. क्या है हमारे पास, बोलो? Addition and subtraction. Okay, so whenever we are talking about the addition and subtraction, so what is going to happening over there? You must see, all of you. Suppose I am taking one example, but any example you can take, that is not an issue. Okay, any example you can take, but you should have to know the rules in a proper way. Let it be, I am having 2.23, okay, and this is 2.3, okay beta, and next one is 4.2. Is that clear? And we have to add these three. क्या करना है? इनको ऐड करना है. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू ऐड दीज, तो क्या आएगा आंसर आपके पास? देखो आंसर आई एम राइटिंग, एयर विल बी कंसिडर एज एन, या आपने जीरो नहीं लगाना, रहने दो आप. सिंपली यू राइट 3 आफ्टर एडिंग 7 8.73. What the answer is coming there? 8.73. Okay, now how to find out the significant figures over here? You see please, here after decimal, how many digits? Yes, 2 digits. Here how many digits? 1 digit. Here is how many digit? 1 digit. So which is the least one? Least digit is 1 na? Or least digit is 1. Am I right? So in the answer also after decimal you should have only 1 digit. So answer will be 8.7 and it will have only 2 significant figures. How many significant figures? Only 2 significant figures. Have you understood बेटा? तो मेरी बात समझ आई आपको? What I have done there? Okay, now you see, same way we can do for the subtraction also. What we can do? We can do it for the subtraction also. You see, must all of you. Let it be, we are having 21.1422 and there is 2.101 and this is 0.01. Okay, now what I am going to do, just wait, we are taking another example, because addition we have done, we have to take the example of subtraction. Okay, you must see, all of you, again you see please. Let it be, I am writing this one, 23.4730, then 12.11. What we have to do? We have to subtract them, and after the subtraction, what is coming there? It's coming 11.3630. What is coming there? 11.3630. Now you see the digits after the decimal. Here after the decimal, how many digits are there? Total 4 digits. How many digits are there? Here after decimal, how many digits are there? Total 2 digits. Okay, now which one is the least one? 2 is the least. The answer will be 11.36. Means after decimal there should be only 2 digits. 11.36. So there will be the 4 significant figures. How many significant figures will be there? There will be the 4 significant figures. Is that clear? Okay beta, so what is going to happening there in the addition and the subtraction? In case of addition and the subtraction, we have to see the least digits after the decimal. Okay, now we will do multiplication and division. Which rule we are going to do? Multiplication and the division. Okay, you must see multiplication and division. Okay beta, so whensoever we are talking about this one, multiplication and the division, okay, then what is going to happening over there? Okay, you must see all of you. In case of multiplication, okay, तो whenever we are doing the multiplication, ठीक है, जब भी हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन की बात करते हैं तो हमने उसको कैसे करना है? जस्ट सी ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज़ very very carefully. Let it be, this is the 2.2120 is multiplying by 0.11, and after the multiplying we are getting an answer, that is 0.024332. अब इसमें क्या करना है बेटा? हमने अब एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन वाला रूल यहाँ पर नहीं लगाना हमने. ओके, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू फॉलो द एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन रूल. क्या करना है हमने यहाँ पर? अब यहाँ पर देखना है हमने फर्स्ट, दिस वन इज हैविंग हाउ मेनी सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स? 1 2 3 4 5 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स. Yes or no? And this one is having only, because 0 we are not considering, only 2 significant figures. So which is the least? 2 is the least. Then the answer में क्या आएगा आपके पास? 0.024. Am I right? Only 2 significant figures will be there. तो in the multiplication and division क्या देखना है हमने? We have to see the least number of significant figures. क्या देखना है बेटा हमने? Least number of significant figures. Same way, you can see one more example, that 4.2211 divided by 3.76, and it is coming 1.12263. Okay, answer I have written there, but you see here how many significant figures are there? 5. Here how many significant figures is there? 3. So in the answer, what will come there? What is the least? This is the least. Then answer will be 1.12. Okay, 1.12 means 3 significant figures. Is that clear order? Well, just remember, I can conclude also कि whenever we are doing addition and subtraction, क्या बात करते हैं? Addition and subtraction, then we have to see the after decimal. क्या देखना है? After decimal least number of digits. क्या देखनी है? Least number of digits. But in multiplication and division हमने क्या देखनी है? We have to see the least number of significant figure in the statement. Least number of significant figures in the statement. Is that clear? Are you okay beta? Okay, very good. So now beta, now after that we are going to do rules for the rounding off. Rules for the rounding of significant figures. Significant figures. क्या करने? Rules for rounding of significant figures. Okay, in this case, you must see there rule number one. Rule number one: if the last digit is less than 5, suppose first example I am writing there, let it be, this is a 12.06. Now here last digit is more than 5. If the last digit is more than 5, then what will happen there? Then they are saying successive digit, ये वाली, will be increased by 1. So it will become 12.1. And there will be 3 significant figures. How many will be there? 3 significant figures. Is that clear, beta? When the last digit is more than 5. Okay, now number 2. Number 2, you see, all of you, rule number 2 in the rounding off. If the digit is less than 5, if the digit is less than 5, suppose we are having 12.223, ये वाला है हमारे पास. Now in this case you must see the last digit. This last digit is less than 5. Am I right? क्या है हमारे पास? Less than 5. So what we can do, beta? We can drop this digit. No need to write. No need to write this one. And the successive digits will remain same. The answer will be 12.22. Is that clear? And there will be total 4 significant figures. How many will be there? There will be the 4 significant figures. Clear? Okay. Students, after that you can see rule number 3. What we are having now, rule number 3. In the rule number 3, what they have told you. Okay, we have done first of all more than 5, then we have done less than 5. Now you see, all of you, please, if the last digit is equal to 5. Now I'm going to take few examples for you people. Let it be, this is 1.6145. Okay, one more is there, 1.6175. See, in both the cases last digit is equal to 5, but before the 5 successive digit, here it is even digit, here it is odd digit. So what they are telling, when before 5 there is an even digit, then your successive digit will remain same. Your successive digit will remain same. Then answer will be 1.61. क्या आंसर आएगा आपके पास, बोलो? Yes, 1.614. Clear? There will be only 4 significant figures. And same way here you see, when odd number is here, it will be increased by 1. It will be increased by 1. So answer will be 1.618. What will be the answer? 1.618. Is that clear? Because after 5 number is 7 is a odd number. 7 is a odd number. Is that clear? Oh yes or no, beta? I hope now it's clear to you how we can rounding off. Okay, last rule, beta, that you should have to know very well, that just remember always that for the exact number of things in the note you must write, for the exact number of things, exact number of things exact number of things means suppose you are having a 12 books. ओके, अब 12 बुक्स को आप ऐसे क्यों लिख सकते हैं कि इट इज़ 12.5 बुक्स, यस और नो. अब जो फिक्स है, जो एग्जैक्ट है, यू कांट चेंज देम. ओके, ओ यस और नो, 12 बुक्स, सपोज 2 एप्पल, like that, etc. Things are there, exact number of things. Then there will be the infinite number of significant figure. Always there will be always infinite number of significant figures. I hope you all are getting my point. Yes or no, सबको समझ आ गया बेटा. प्लीज प्रैक्टिस द प्रॉब्लम्स of the significant figures. After that, any doubt is there, you must ask. But first of all, see these videos. Okay, students? Thank you very much to all of you. Thank you.